Today, we're taking a closer look at the refreshed 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI, a car that's always been a favorite among driving enthusiasts for its blend of practicality and fun. But there's big news this year. After decades of tradition, for the first time ever, you can't get a manual transmission in the GTI. That's right, the stick shift is officially gone from the lineup. The iconic three-pedal setup, a symbol of pure driver involvement, has been replaced by a standard 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. It's a significant change for a car that's always celebrated the joy of shifting your own gears. This marks a major shift for the GTI, which built its reputation on driver engagement and manual fun. For many, the manual was a rite of passage, a direct connection between car and driver. The DSG automatic is quick, smooth and efficient, offering lightning-fast shifts and improved performance. But for purists, the emotional connection of rowing your own gears is now a thing of the past. Beyond the transmission, the 2025 GTI gets a sharper, more modern look. There's a revised front bumper, an illuminated VW badge that stands out at night, and striking new wheel designs to complete the update. Volkswagen is trying to balance progress with tradition, updating tech and style while saying goodbye to a key part of its legacy. It's a tough decision that's sure to spark debate among longtime fans. The big question now is, are these changes enough to keep the GTI's spirit alive for loyal fans and new buyers alike, or will the loss of the manual mark the end of an era for this iconic hot hatch? Inside, the most welcome update is the return of physical buttons on the steering wheel. No more frustrating touch controls that made simple tasks unnecessarily complicated. Now you can adjust settings with a satisfying click, making it easier to keep your eyes on the road and your focus on driving. The new 12.9-inch touchscreen is not only bigger but also noticeably more responsive and intuitive to use. While the touch sliders for volume and climate control remain, they're now illuminated, making them much easier to find and use at night or in low light. It's a small but meaningful improvement. Another standout feature is the integration of ChatGPT into the voice assistant. This modern touch means you can ask natural conversational questions, whether you need directions, want to find a nearby restaurant, or just want to know a fun fact on the go. The cabin still keeps its clean, driver-focused design, with classic plaid seats on the base model that pay homage to the GTI's heritage, and premium leather available on higher trims for those who want a more upscale feel. The digital gauge cluster is highly customizable, letting you tailor the display to show exactly what you want, from navigation to performance data. Build quality feels solid throughout, with premium materials and tight fit and finish. Of course, the interior isn't perfect. Some core functions still rely on touch controls, which can be distracting while driving, and a physical volume knob is still missing, which many drivers will continue to miss. Still, these thoughtful changes address the biggest complaints from previous models and make the GTI's cockpit much more user-friendly, especially for everyday driving. Overall, it's a big step forward for the GTI's interior, even if it's not quite perfect yet. Under the hood, the 2.0-litre turbo four-cylinder returns with 241 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. Paired with the DSG, the GTI sprints from 0-60 in 5.6 seconds, quick for a front-wheel drive hatch. The car feels eager with strong acceleration and minimal turbo lag. Handling remains a highlight, quick steering, agile chassis, and an electronic limited slip differential for confident cornering. The Autobahn trim adds adaptive dampers and summer tires for even sharper performance. Brakes are strong and the suspension balances comfort with control. The GTI still delivers that classic blend of everyday usability and genuine driving fun. The 2025 GTI arrives in 3 distinct trims, S, SE and Autobahn, each offering its own blend of features and personality. Pricing starts at around $33,670 for the base S trim and climbs to $42,105 for the fully loaded Autobahn model, making it competitive in the hot hatch segment. The S trim delivers core GTI performance, classic plaid seats, and all the essentials for driving enthusiasts, while the SE adds upscale touches like a panoramic sunroof, premium audio, and more tech features for comfort and convenience. The Autobahn trim tops the range with leather upholstery, a head-up display, adaptive dampers and advanced driver aids for a truly premium experience. Prices are only slightly up from last year, which is impressive given the addition of new technology and upgraded features across the lineup. Practicality remains a GTI hallmark. This is a car built for real life as much as for fun. The hatchback design offers a generous 20 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, expanding to 35 cubic feet when you fold the seats down. Perfect for road trips, sports gear or big shopping runs. The back seat is genuinely adult-friendly with impressive legroom and headroom for a compact car, making it comfortable for passengers on longer journeys. This versatility means the GTI is just as ready for daily errands and family outings as it is for spirited drives on your favorite back roads or city streets. It's the do-it-all hot hatch formula, refined and perfected for 2025. Few cars on the market today blend performance, practicality, and everyday usability as seamlessly as the new GTI. To sum up, the 2025 GTI's highs are clear physical steering wheel buttons, playful chassis, unmatched practicality. The lows? No manual transmission, no physical volume knob steering that could offer more feedback. If you're a manual purist, this isn't your car. Look to the used market rivals like the Civic Si. But if you want a fast, fun, practical hatch with modern tech, the GTI delivers. The DSG is excellent, the interior is much improved. The car remains a joy to drive. The GTI has evolved, and while some changes sting, its core appeal is intact. It's still one of the best all-around performance cars you can buy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.